Hi everybody, my name is Zeta and welcome back to Zeta Potata. Today I have the JoJo Bow Maker set and this is like huge. We have like amazing color little bows. We have an example right here. We have the instructions obviously. We have the main bow set and we have some little decorations with the middle parts and the little straps. So I'm real excited. So let's just get started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these. I think I want to use pink because I mean, to be honest, pink is one of my favorite colors. So we're just gonna snap this in here, make sure the sides are on, and we're going to take these pieces up. And I'm going to pick two Velcro little ones. So I want to do this one because it's really shimmery. And I'm going for the rainbow. So we're going to lay this right here carefully. And then lay the rainbow one on top of that. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're gonna connect it to these little pieces here. So there's two little holes and we're gonna snap these pieces in the holes. And what we do is, see these pieces are loose and the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna push both of them together. And look, the pink is coming up. So we're gonna take that and connect it. Then we're gonna take these little hearts and undo that. And then we're gonna take this out. And we have the base of the bow. Now, one of my favorite parts, we're gonna be using one of these to have to connect it to your hair. So I'm gonna put it in like this, and I'm gonna take this part and flip it over here. So now it's like the clip, and then like this, and then we have some little decorations here. This one fell. And we can use those. And there's little, look how cute this is. Like, there's little JoJo signs, like the hearts, and you can connect it to the bow. So that's what I'm feeling like. So I want to take that one. Maybe this blue one. So I'm going to take it and put it right on the side of the bow. Right there. That's cute. And then I'm going to take this. Look, there's little purple hearts. There's little dots. And there's triangles. So I'm feeling like the purple hearts right here on the corners. And then I'm going to take some of these pink dots and silver dots and just place them everywhere. So, take them, one right there, one right there. I'm going to take the silver dots and go everywhere with them. So this is how you make a bow with the JoJo bow set. So I hope you all guys enjoyed, and please smash that like button. And if you liked watching this, and if you like watching me do this, then you can buy this, and here you go. Here's how to make it. So I really hope y'all enjoyed, and like I said, just smash that like button, and I hope you'll have a good day.